All right, guys, so we have a 2025 Toyota Camry, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the door panel. It's actually really simple. All right, this vehicle is here for window tint. All right, I just tinted the rear window, and I also tinted, so the rear window is tinted in 20%, and the windshield is tinted in 50%, okay, in ceramic. All right, this customer requested for all around ceramic, and he also got a ceramic coating as well. Personally, I like to roll the windows down. All right, it's just gonna make things a tad bit easier, actually quite a bit easier. So this way I'm able to get my fingers all the way wrapped up inside the panel. All right, so I have a plastic panel remover. All right, so I'm gonna stick that in there, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this switch through this quick, boom, just like that. Put that right there. Again, screwdriver. All right, PH1 by 3 inches. All right, so I'm gonna put that in there. Once again, this is a 2025 Toyota Camry. All right, so that being said, that is out. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my leg right there. All right, and I'm gonna pop this right here, just like that. All right, so you have one clip over here, and you have this clip. So unfortunately, this guy has to come out as well. So I'm gonna got him. All right, very strong clips. All right, so once that's done, all right, that's the clip right there, and there the clip is right there. As you can see, that's the first clip, and the second clip is right there. All right, if there's any more clips, I'm not aware. So also, when you're removing this seal, make sure you pop it right over here. All right, so I'm gonna pull this up a little bit so you can see. You don't want to break this. I don't think it's a big deal if gonna break it. So you want to pop this open. See that? This is a rubber, just like that. You want to remove that, and then what I'm gonna do is pop that open just like that, and pop the whole thing. Comes out nice and smooth, just like that. And I'll put it right there. Everything's connected real nice. All right, so I'm gonna raise my window up. As you can see, plenty of space to work with. All right, guys, so we're gonna put this guy back in. All right, so that rubber sits there just like that. All right, so so the first thing you're gonna do is gonna disassemble this small piece that sits at the edge, just like that. All right, and what you want to do is you want to tuck this in into the rubber before you attach it into the long piece, just like that. All right, once you got that guy in, just like that, put it right in there. Then we'll take this guy, I'm gonna slide it in, just like that, boom, put it in there, pop him in, just like that. Then take this guy right here, so you see it's just like that, pop it in, just like that. That's good, go. All right, everything is good. So you're gonna take your screw and you're gonna get it in there. Again, all you need is a standard screwdriver and a plastic trim remover. Boom. All right.